Hello everyone, this is Yawei and I am the TA in this class. Right now I'm a doctoral student in gifted and creative education. I'm really happy to meet you all here. If you have any question, please email me or Dr. Grandson. Okay, I will have a brief introduction here for myself. While my insights about gifted education and creativity is that one is not born with creativity but can develop through efforts. Previously, we may think that only those persons like Einstein or Newton has creativity, but actually, we now more familiar with the concept of everyday creativity. So every person has some part of creativity in certain fields. If we can develop them through efforts. One of the important issues that impressed me is that creativity can be unnoticed if we use the wrong instruments. This can happen under students from culturally different backgrounds. That's because they have creativity in different fields. For example, like African American students, they may have creativity in music, dancing, that maybe go unnoticed if we use the traditional instruments of intelligence. That comes with my most favorite area in gifted education is to identify culturally responsive creative assessment for students from multicultural background. For myself, I'm especially interested in identifying those assessments that is culturally responsive to Asian students. The least favorite is that we need to persuade school and parents to believe in students' creativity because sometimes we find that the students may have not good behaviors in classroom and the teachers the teachers do not like them, but actually they are the presentation of their creativity. The process can be hard, but I think we can work towards them. Okay, I'm looking forward to working with you all this semester.